Abkadin Shabho, sandwich fans, it's Sandwich Dad here. Today we're heading to India to make the classic Bombay or Mumbai club sandwich. Been wanting to make this one for a long time? Let's go. I got this recipe from the Home Cooking Show on YouTube. I'm going to toast up some spices here. There's some cumin seed, fennel, black pepper, some cloves. I've also got some cinnamon, amchur powder, and black salt. And I'm going to grind that all together for my sandwich masala. Looks pretty good. All right, next up, make a coriander chutney. There's mint, there's cilantro or coriander. I've got some hot peppers in there, some ginger, some more black salt. Blend that all up. And that's our beautiful green chutney. Okay, 3 slices of white bread. I'm pretty sure this is often just called the Bombay sandwich. I call it a club because of the 3rd piece of bread. But anyways, put some butter on 1 piece, then our chutney, followed by sliced boiled potato, and then a little bit of our sandwich masala. Then some fresh red onion slices, and guess what goes on top of that? More sandwich masala. All right, and then once we've got our onions all spiced up, we're going to put more butter on another piece of bread, more chutney, then we're going to put that bread on top, more butter, more chutney, and then tomatoes. Instead of salt and peppering our tomatoes, you guessed it, more sandwich masala. Then our cucumbers, and more sandwich masala. Can you guess what's next? It is mo better butter and mo better chutney. And then we will take that, put the hat on. We'll give it a nice admire. Looks pretty good. But we're not done yet because we are going to give it to the world's cleanest George Foreman fat grilling machine grill. More butter on the outside, a little bit of butter on the griddle there. Keep that up. Put on the sandwich, and then realize that you forgot to put on some mozzarella cheese. And then, with haste, put that back on, and look at that. That is a beautiful-looking grilled Bombay sandwich. Bombay club sandwich. Cut diagonally, and reveal. Hey now. From what I understand, the most popular Indian street sandwich, vegetarian sandwich, and I'm extremely excited to try it. So here comes the taste test. That is so flavorful, so hefty, so absolutely phenomenal. Without a doubt, the best veggie sandwich I've ever had in my life. I'm keeping that chutney and masala around. I'm going to make this over and over again. 7 out of 5 easy chairs. Sandwich Dad, good day!